Ghana Premier League match day 3. Results no wafulo I mean tiwe.
My man started from the Rainbow family, Accra House of Folk. The woman said na House of Folk ball match week 3 of the Ghana Premier League away from Omo favorite home ground, which is the Accra Sports Stadium. Na the woman say on say nansin yare kakra wa Ghana ne say yen stadia wa Ghana ha nyina no enye fit enough into your stadium yentimi nya any of them say a hosti a category 3 match by CAF and FIFA into you was a problem into the Accra Sports Stadium na Accra House of Folk home no due to one reason or the other NSA eden in Sato so facility no under maintenance into House of Folk war Legon Sports Stadium for the first time. Prior to this game, na House of Folk about 2 games. Na House of Folk ain't mean for ball and to opponent me no one na boni nyina atinem. Very lucky for House of Folk. Those 2 games na omo abono. Na those 2 clubs no. Per omo game against Bechem United. Omo standard no. A form essay in Bechem United. Nanso has failed to record goals against Heart of Lions and the Holy Stars team na omnium ball Accra Sports Stadium. It's na aniswadu hunu eniho, na confidence eniho. But Abubakar Ouattara before the game sounded confident. Abubakar and my House of Folk supporters aware say they shouldn't be always criticizing the team. They should support the team. He, the coach, or the captain, or the war leader of Accra Folk, obey leading the charges. No matter me overturn results. Especially in their game against Bechem United at the Legon Sports Stadium. Intina ama game, about a little bit mouth watering. Mouth watering in the sense that Bechem United and so proud to this game, Eugene. Bechem United remains the only team on to say go game now this season 2024-2025. Before this game against House of Folk, na Bechem United emfa ball into atnebiemu entia opponent. House of Folk also the same. Na House of Folk dia anwawade a omaye ne say for the first time Abubakar Ouattara etimi recorded 2 successive wins against a Ghanaian club in the Ghana Premier League. The last time a House of Folk able to Bechem United Nana Fosuji Abo Park, which was the last game of the season, has a winning game by 2-1. This time round, our has home has asset me winning by 2-0. Implication or explanation is that the first club in Ghana, Abubakar Ouattara, etimianya 2 successive wins etiano Bechem United. House of Folk Kroya so this win against Bechem United actually said the last time has elusu to Bechem United way back in 2023 wabra Hafiz Wutakonkoni any Sefas Minta LED Bechem United Emma Bechem United winning that game by 2-1. The last 4 games has ni Bechem Abonyina no has etimi enya the needed win against Bechem United. This is telling you that gradually House of Folk enya dominance over Bechem United, and as well Abubakar Ouattara also enya dominance over Bechem United. Now to the game itself. House of Folk were exceptional in the game, especially the highlights are in the shape of Ransford Yeboah. Obi will say also Rashford the boy near when Rashford the boy a young chap House of Folk introduced me into the Ghana football calendar. House of Folk were established left back in the shape of Dennis Nkrumah Kosa. Before season never be chance no yet things and peace
na omowo
onkatim
ne ho biem ti na omowo why
ya ginidi Kosa ni ho biem the other be replace Kosa no atimi abon ho modern to the extent say he was very exceptional in Haas's first win of the season. Enti obi yebetimi amiani age say Dennis Nkrumah Kosa koye no the obefa sa position no indeed the washa say ye no yebetimi aka say it has been a very good and a perfect replacement for House of Folk. It's yebebo runs for the yebo abaso men kind the last time House of Folk player be etimi ma such goal from a direct free kick. Enti se obekpo akoso ama sa exploit no adedi in games for House of Folk. House of Folk have been able to replace Nkrumah Kosa in a very right way and in a perfect way. Hamza Isa se ebe kai hu ya wabra House of Folk elusi to Heart of Lions no edin ba ko after the game na has fans raising concern Hamza Isa. The reason being that wabra na Abubakar Watara enyam benye coach for House of Folk no na omulidi maxman obangi in the goals edema has Hamza Isa. Abubakar bae no goals ne kakra bae but season way no people were raising concern say Hamza Isa is being played out of position. And your voices are almost bo Hamza Isa din almost say catch the coach and say on you so Hamza Isa I want the right Opemsuo. So I was very happy Hamza Isa gave us that wonderful goal to give us a 2-0 win against Bechem United. Now Eugene, before I made the House of Folk game in the Besuni, Yambo Benjamin Asari Abaso. This is the first clean sheet as a goalkeeper for House of Folk. And I was very happy say after the game. So when your video ni biasha, when the players gathered on the pitch and no more say omo final prayers, on an air the leading marksman na omo a motivational message after the game. Or catch omo say in their subsequent games, they should see all games as they are going into the game to win. Anything apart from win, they are not going to accept it. I think say Benjamin Asare or ye expert as a goalkeeper or tie keep clean sheets. Let's not forget, say the last 2 seasons, he has been among the top goalkeepers. Season in the open top 3 goalkeepers or more highest number of clean sheets at Benjamin Asare Kahon. And you to crown the proper House of Folk management. Emma Moto Safreno, Emma never far goal post him as first choice goalkeeper the House of Folk. And Benjamin Asare has been able to record the first clean sheet. So a morale booster the man, and I say a morale booster the House of Folk defense, Eugene. Me no be are gonna say in the last season a term 2 games are boy. Open department back one very porous. Now you have central defenders. But in this game, you who say omusheki you who say omo compact compare with goalkeeping effort omo timi keep clean sheet. So you're good for House of Folk and we hope say omo beto so every year